इस लेक्चर में डिफरेंस मेथड से या अंतर विधि से कोरिलेशन सहसंबंध गुणांक की गणना ज्ञात करना एक एग्जाम्पल लेके बताएंगे। तो एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, दिए हुए 8 विद्यार्थियों के प्राप्तांकों का अंतर विधि डिफरेंस मेथड से सहसंबंध गुणांक ज्ञात कीजिए। कैलकुलेट कोफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन बाय डिफरेंस मेथड फॉर द स्कोर्स गिवन फॉर 8 स्टूडेंट्स। यहाँ पर भी हम वही एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, डेटा वही लेते हैं जो हम इसके पहले और सब मेथड में ले चुके थे, चाहे वो मेथड रहा हो डेविएशन टेकन फ्रॉम ज़ीरो रहा हो, चाहे वो मेथड रिड्यूस्ड स्कोर मेथड रहा हो, चाहे मैंने एज्यूम मीन मेथड से किया है, चाहे रियल मीन मेथड से किया है, सब में मैंने एक ही एग्जाम्पल लिया। और एक ही एग्जाम्पल लेने का तात्पर्य ये था जिससे कि हम ये शो कर सकें कि चाहे किसी भी मेथड से हम कोरिलेशन निकालें, आंसर सेम आता है। तो यहाँ पर भी ये 5वां मेथड है, इसको बोलते हैं डिफरेंस मेथड। देयर आर 8 स्टूडेंट्स एंड दीज स्टूडेंट्स आर shown as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in one subject they have scored 8, 10, 12, 6, 4, 14, 8, 10. In another subject Hindi they have scored 18, 22, 16, 21, 30, 19, 24, 18. So this is the question part. Now answer starts from making the columns given on this paper. There are 8 number of students, so n is equal to 8. Sum up all these values of x. Test A scores are represented by capital X and test B scores are represented by capital Y. Sum up all these scores. We have summation x is equal to 72. And sum up all these y scores, that is 18 plus 22 plus 16 plus 21 plus 30 plus 19 plus 24 plus 18 gives us summation y is equal to 168. Next step is test A, calculate the mean of test A. Test A का मध्यमान निकालते हैं. It is represented by mx is equal to summation x by n. Summation x is equal to 72 by 8 is equal to 9. And the mean of test B, that is test B का मध्यमान represented by my is equal to summation y by n is equal to 168 by 8 is equal to 21. Now next step is deviations from the mean. मध्यमान से विचलन निकालेंगे. पहले हम x स्कोर में से x का मध्यमान मतलब 9 को घटाएंगे और अगले कॉलम में y स्कोर में से y का मीन मध्यमान घटाएंगे तो 21 घटाएंगे। तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, x माइनस mx निकालते हैं। तो 8 माइनस 9, 10 माइनस 9, 12 माइनस 9, 6 माइनस 9, 4 माइनस 9, 14 माइनस 9, 8 माइनस 9, 10 माइनस 9। 8 माइनस 9 इज माइनस 1, 10 माइनस 9 इज प्लस 1, 12 माइनस 9 इज प्लस 3, 6 माइनस 9 इज माइनस 3, 4 माइनस 9 इज माइनस 5, 14 minus 5 is equal to plus 5, 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1, 10 minus 9 is equal to plus 1. y minus my निकालते हैं. To calculate y minus my, y values are given here 18 and my I have calculated here, that is 21. So 18 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 16 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 30 minus 21, 19 minus 21, 24 minus 21, 18 minus 21. And hence 18 minus 21 is minus 3, 22 minus 21 is plus 1, 16 minus 21 is equal to minus 5, 21 minus 21 is equal to 0, 30 minus 21 is equal to plus 9, 19 minus 21 is equal to minus 2, 24 minus 21 is equal to plus 3, and 18 minus 21 is equal to minus 3. Next step, to calculate difference. Difference is represented by d and the value of d is obtained by x minus y. Here look at this column, minus 1 minus y. Minus 1 minus y is represented as minus 1, and minus minus plus 3, so plus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. Plus 3 minus 5 is plus 5 gives us 8. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. Minus 5 minus plus 9 is equal to minus 9, that is minus 14. Plus 5 minus 2 plus 2, that is plus 7. Minus 1 minus plus 3. Minus plus 3 means minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. And the last is 1 minus 3 is minus 3 is plus 3. Plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4. Next step is to calculate x square. So find out these values. Minus 1 square is 1, plus 1 square is 1, plus 3 square is plus 9, minus 3 square is 9, minus 5 square is 25, plus 5 square is 25, minus 1 square is 1, plus 1 square is 1. Whether the value is negative or positive, the square of the number becomes positive. The next column to prepare y square. Minus 3 square is 9, plus 1 square is 1, minus 5 square is 25, 0 square is 0, plus 9 square is 81, sorry, 4, minus 2 square is equal to 4, plus 3 square is equal to 9, minus 3 square is equal to 9. Next step is d square. Here I have calculated x minus y, so square of this gives us d square. Plus 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0, 8 square is 64, minus 3 square is 9, 14 square is 196, 7 square is 49, minus 4 square is 16, plus 4 square is 16. Another step is to get summation x square. Summation x square, that is sigma x square, is obtained through summing all these values. 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 25 plus 25 plus 1 is equal to 72. Again, summation y square means sum up all these values. 9 plus 1 plus 25 plus 0 plus 81 plus 4 plus 9 plus 9 gives us 138. And in the last column, summation d square. Summation d square means sum up all these values. 4 plus 0 plus 64 plus 9 plus 196 plus 49 plus 16 plus 16. This is equal to 354. Summation d square is equal to 354. Now, in this way, we have summation x square is equal to 72, summation y square is equal to 138, summation d square is equal to 354. Using all these values and putting all these values in equation, r is equal to summation x square plus summation y square minus summation d square upon 2 within square root summation x square multiplied by summation y square. Summation x square is equal to 72 plus summation y square is equal to 138 minus summation d square is equal to 354 divided by 2 under root summation x square is equal to 72 multiplied by 138. 72 plus 138 is 210 minus 354 upon 2. 72 multiplied by 138 gives us 9936. 210 minus 354 gives us minus 144 divided by 2. So cancelling this 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4. So 72 minus 72 upon under root 9936. In my previous lecture, I have shown you that how 9936 is to be calculated. How square root of 9936 is to be calculated. And the square root of 9936 is found to be 99.679. Again here, the value of 9 is more than 5. So preceding value may be increased by 1. So the ultimate value is 99.68. 72 upon 99.68 within minus sign. This is equal to minus times 0 minus 0.7223. This is, so R is equal to minus 0.72. So the test A and test B have a correlation coefficient of negative, highly negative correlation of coefficient. इसको हम ऐसे भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं परीक्षण ए तथा परीक्षण बी में सहसंबंध गुणांक -0.72 प्राप्त होता है, जो यह बताता है कि दोनों के मध्य उच्च ऋणात्मक सहसंबंध है। अतः कहा जा सकता है कि दोनों प्राप्तांकों में एक दूसरे के विपरीत जाने की प्रवृत्ति है। सो देयर इज अ हाई negative coefficient of correlation. It shows that in one test, if a student is doing well, at the same time in the other test the same student is not doing well in the other test. So this is all about this difference method. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos.